Napdeng ki arpun reutli ki school ki bala wan banishim benta ha ka 28 Chief Minister District Level Inter-School Athletic Meet arja arpulai ka St. Peter's Higher Secondary School pendeng rai kala yok ban kor ya ka nam best team ha kal yang ki khana shinrang bat kum ju ru ki kenthai. Ya ka nam best athlete ha ka under 14 ya ki shinrang la yok ban kor da ubobin chal wan yang na ka St. Peter's Higher Secondary School bar ha ka under 14 na kal yang ki kenthai la yok ban kor da ka phiba pun sok ke jana na ka Anderson Higher Secondary School. Haba pai pat cheki under 16 jong kishinrang ya kanam best athlete la yo daw Nikki Mausor naga Anderson Higher Secondary School kat bana kalyang ki khana kan thai pat la yo ban khor da ka Trisha Nongbri naga Sip Singh Memorial Government Higher Secondary School kat bah ki under 18 na kilyang kishinrang ya kanam la do la yo ban khor daw Shai Parlin Nongsit naga St. Peter's Higher Secondary School but haki under 18 ya kanam best athlete la yo ban khor da ka Alba Mary So Shang naga St. Peter's Higher Secondary School Shoshu ya kanam best march pass la yo ban khor da ka JNV Nongston. Haka ni ngi lawan ban yashim bantara ka kong B Black additional DC jong ka West Khasi Hills District kum ka kong san haringkat ka jinga don langru ka kong LCM ka District School Education Officer West Khasi Hills Nongston uba PB War Nongbriu Assistant Director of Sports and Youth Affairs Meghalaya ka kong Ballarinas EM District Sports Officer West Khasi Hills District bat QA ki bale shim bantalang ban sami ki kusnam prepare shaki nongjob
for the organization and for bringing out so many participants. As I am told, there are 26 schools from the district who have participated with 1,002 participants in the various fields. So I congratulate each and every one of you who have participated in this program. For each of those who are in the different fields, for each of those schools who are here to participate, this is also a platform for selecting the athletes that will be taken to the state level. So I think, as has been information given to me by the district sports officer, this is also a platform for the different athletes to shine from the district level to the state level and perhaps even to the national level.
This is Dabbok Giri Memorial Secondary School, all the way from Perla, with the placard bearer Maurus Air, with the placard bearer Freda Rosabel Karkomor, the flag bearer Abigail Vansi Marbanyang, Commander Friding Wanyang. They live by the motto knowledge, wisdom and virtue. Taking the salute now is JNV Nongston with R. Vivian C. Kurkalang in the placard, Pankit Boklang Nongput in the flag, and Mary Jean Nongsiet as the commander. Mauklam, a neighbor of this place, with the placard bearer Nitasha Kharbani, with the flag bearer